Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about my 5 favorite primers of all time. So if you want to know what those are, then keep watching. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's get into it. The 5 primers that I have in front of me, 3 of them are for pore filling of some sort, just because that is one of the skin problems that I suffer from. So basically you can find a primer that will fix any of the issues that you have, whether you have dry skin, you have oily skin, you have problem pores, you have really dull skin. There's something for everyone. So keep that in mind. I have normally combo skin, so sometimes my skin is a little bit more oily, sometimes my skin is a little bit drier, but for the most part it's pretty normal. So yeah, the first primer I want to talk about is the Dermalogica Hydra Blur primer. This is absolutely amazing. And I will list all of these down below in the bottom bar in case you're looking for them. But this primer is so good at filling your pores. I just use it right in the areas around my nose, a little bit on my nose and sometimes a little bit on my chin. But you just press this in as you're rubbing it. So you kind of like rub and press, and it'll just fill in your pores and leave your skin so silky smooth. It's the perfect canvas for any foundation or makeup that you want to wear over it. It is just absolutely amazing. Another pore filling primer is this one from Laura Geller. This is the Spackle Mattifying Oil Control Under Makeup primer, and this is almost gone. As you can see, I've been using it like crazy, and this is actually a skin color. So when you put it on, this is one of those ones that if you didn't want to wear makeup but you just wanted to fill in your pores, you totally could with this one. So it literally will just blend right into your skin and leave your skin feeling silky smooth and like you have no pores, which is a dream come true. So the Hydra Blur primer is a white primer, and you can't see it once you rub it in, but this one I think is better if you're not going to wear makeup over it. All right, one of my absolute favorite hydrating primers is from Bare Minerals. It's called Good Hydrations, and this will just give your skin like a nice drink of water. It will feel so hydrated. It won't make your makeup break up or look cracky on your skin. It just gives your skin such a nice and supple look and feeling. This is, I was just gonna say this is one of my favorites. Obviously, they are my top 5 favorites of all time, but this is the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. This primer is seriously, it makes your skin look like you have a photo filter on it. So you just rub it in and it just gives your skin like the nicest sheen. I'm hoping that that's coming across on camera, because what it does to your skin is just amazing. This is another one that you could wear on your own without putting makeup over it. Like in the summer, if you just want a nice glow, this will make your skin look amazing. But it also looks great under makeup. It'll just give you like a nice lit from within look. I love this stuff so much. A lot of times I will use one of my pore filling primers and then also use this in different areas. And then my last primer is from Origins. This is the Original Skin Pore Perfecting Cooling Primer. This is an aerosol primer. It's the first and only aerosol primer that I own. I actually don't think I've ever even seen another one. I love this. When you put it on your skin, it feels so cool and refreshing. And this fills in your pores so nicely and it leaves your skin feeling so soft. So I love this. A lot of times I'll use this just in the areas around my nose, and then I'll use this everywhere else on my skin just to still look glowy and dewy without looking oily or greasy, and my pores are still filled in, so it just looks amazing. All right, those are my top 5 primers. Let me know down below in the comments what your favorite primer is. I'm really curious to know what you guys are trying out. So yeah, leave it down in the comments and let me know. And I hope that this video was helpful for you. If you have a skin concern that I didn't mention, I am sure that there's a primer on the market for you. You just have to do a little bit of research. But yeah, if you have dry, oily, pore problems, or just dull skin, one of the primers that I mentioned today would work for you. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.